Your credit score can be different on Credit Karma, Experian, and other credit apps, because those services may use different scoring models and different credit report information. By the end, you'll know why your scores do not match, which score matters for different situations, and what steps to take when the difference looks unusual. The main reason your scores vary is that there is more than one credit scoring model. A lender, credit app, or financial service may not calculate your score using the same formula. Another reason is timing. Credit reports are updated when companies send new account information to the credit bureaus. If one app has newer information than another, the scores can look different. Your credit reports also matter because the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, may not always have identical information. One report may show an updated balance, while another report may still show older account details. If you are checking your score and notice a difference, start by comparing the credit reports behind the scores. Look for differences in account balances, payment history, closed accounts, or any information that appears on one report, but not another. You should also check which score model the app is showing. Some apps provide educational scores designed to help you track changes, while lenders may use different scoring systems when reviewing applications. A different score does not automatically mean something is wrong with your credit. It often means the data source, update timing, or scoring method is different. If you find incorrect information, the next step is to dispute the error with the credit bureau, showing the incorrect information. Keep copies of documents that support your claim and check whether the report changes after the dispute process. The best way to monitor your credit is to focus on the information that affects your reports, not just one number inside an app. Review your payment history, account balances, and credit report details regularly. So the key points are simple. Different apps can show different scores because they may use different models, different bureau data, and different update timing. Check the credit report details behind the score before assuming there is a problem. Your next step is to compare your reports from the major credit bureaus and identify whether the information matches. If this helped you understand why your credit scores look different, subscribe for more clear explanations about credit, cards, and personal finance.